Mais deze heb ik die van mij gedaan.
Mama, laat me eerst mijn haren komen.
Sit down.
En ik denk niet dat ik kom.
Imana akbina bao, akbina yobi. Akbina bao, akbina yobi. Oh, come, I do it myself.
Mama, mag ik de Calvin slinger? Maar dit doet al pijn als ik zelf kan. Hey.
Sit
Mama,
down.
doet al... Dat, Wim. Mama, dit is...
Sit down. Okay, give me this one.
Oh mijn
Give me
Mama, wacht. Mama, je weet niet hoe bang ik ben.
Jebo, sit down. You are not a baby. Sit down.
Nee, maar...
Sit down. Okay, go. Don't do it again. Come on, sit down. Sit down.
Mama, mag ik jullie filmen?
Nee, niet lezen voor mij. Nee.
Niet lezen?
Nee, ik ga zelf lezen. Niemand heeft niets geschreven.
Ik ga lezen voor mezelf. Mama, niet mijn haar. Deze heb ik net gemaakt.
Hello, my people. How you guys doing? Hello. Now say well, no see Monica. Hey, hi, my love. How are you? Good evening. Keep us sit down. How you doing? How my twins doing? Hello, everyone. Good evening.
Mama, kom op. Hey, hier moet nog de dress komen. Daarom.
Okay, I do it gently. Good evening, my people. Good evening. I just want to say something. Yeah. The meaning of punishment and the acceptance of it. My people, please. They say train up a child the way it should grow, and when he grow, so that he will not depart away from what you teach him. It's very important that we teach our children, both boys and girls. So sit down like this. You know? Oh, go and own it again. Put it in 1 hour again. You understand? It's very important because sometimes
It's cute. Ik hoop dat je weet.
remove your hand.
Oh my god.
Because sometimes, not be sometimes, many times, majority of time, where people they do for adult, now small pikin they for learner. Imagine small pikin where if papa punish or mama punish, she go she say, "Oh, they she no pay me, no pay me." Hey, leave there. Don't be talking. If you they punish pikin, kneel down, they go say, or before you even say kneel down, they go say, "Why is it not only kneel down?" You will say. If you even want beat and self, if they do the thing, you say, "Leave there, I will beat you." Go say, what will you do? Is it not kneel down you will do? Or is it not you will use bed to beat me? It's not paining me all day. She's not paining me. It's not paining me. It's not good though. Sometimes such children, when they grow, to accept something, go they add them. Because you see these punishments where that they give us, because nowhere we don't get punishments. Africa get with it be punishment. Oyibo get with it be punishment. If you not accept punishments, you know they feel change. Punishment sometimes it means to accept what you did wrong, to be sober of it. You understand? Sometimes some people will be ashamed. But me, I will not say be ashamed. Because shame is not good. It kills your morale. It kills your self-esteem. But it's good to be sober. Queen, I know right Facebook. Right now, Facebook is boring. I've been watching movies since. Oh, go and watch my old videos. They are nice. Repeat old videos. They are nice. Especially those of my old videos when you guys don't know me. Go watch it. Overlope is what I'm doing. But if you are checking your head, that made me start, I will scrape everything. So, it's good when you do something. No do odeshi. You no pay me. You no do me anything. No. Punishment is to straighten you. Punishment is to make you feel sober for what you did. Is to make you change. Parents don't just punish children for fun. Parents punish children because they want the best from you. But by the time your parents say, go and kneel down there, or come and receive stroke of cane, like Africa, or they say, I will use whatever to beat you, or you will not get your computer, or you will not get this, please bring it for me. Then you will start saying, up there she, you know they pay me, Ava. I do. Ire Instagram, what's on? Okay, yeah. Okay. I do Instagram. I just they teach them smooth thing where who knows one person fit just take and if it be say somebody pikin now fit they do that thing and the woman go they laugh say if I they punish my pikin go they do all day she not they pay me. You know say if you use and take grow na wahala. You understand? Or mama where they hide punishment for pikin. If pikin they go if they hide down, pikin go misbehave for school. They go drive your pikin come on for that school. If you see mama for road, you can say, yeah, I not gonna see your mama Otapiapia. I not gonna see you for okay, me I give her better name. Okay, now, okay, me I give her better name. Okay, when winning name, Mama who?
Mama
Okay, now you can see Mama Oluchi for you say, Mama Oluchi, I don't see una since yesterday. What happen? Even since last week, una travel. He go say, no, I not tell you. My pikin, he can't no book pass school where fair they go. Now I just tell them say no. I don't want me to that school again because he no book pass. The principal say me I carry and go the other school say he level don't pass the one way school way fair day. Mama, na mama, yawete mama katabago say okay, mama katabago na. Mama katabago say
Mama
okay.
Mama Sony.
Okay, Mama Saud. Oh, I don't get better name. No, Mama Osadion and Mama Ifa. So, Mama. oh God, what's it about that Breza? I go wear Breza, me I couple my face, so that they see my mouth for this tea. Okay, me, I don't get name.
Baby sheep and Mama half sheep.
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. No. You know how much for this, my leg?
Only two. Surely come two.
Let me see the one you have. Let me see. Which one is this? Okay. Okay. And now when mama tapia good. Oh, he don't laugh. Mama tapia. Okay. Me I just do it be like how I act the drama so that people go really know. I act the drama. See. Mama Ifa. No. Mama Osarodion, okay? He put pikin for school. And that he pikin na ragamuffin. He know the year word. He no book. He dey piece for us. He dey shit. He dey key. He dey anything. They talk about thing for a mouth as he smallish. So now teacher come talk say, this your pikin. We no go fit accommodate am for this school again. Oh yeah, may they go. Okay. May they go. Alele. Now mama Osas come dey look for school. He can't see school. He can't go put a pikin. So mama Ifa, they gather they go school before. Mama Ifa he can't see her for road. He can't say, Mama Osas, wetin happen since last week? I no see una for school road because we be dey see una travel. Then he say no, they no travel. I no tell you. Na mama Osas they talk so. You still there? Then he say no, I no tell you say my pikin he result conjure high pass. He just get 10/10. Now teacher say that school where they go. It too low for me. I carry and go to the other school. But Mama Osas, Mama Ifa go come say, But now this school, now you better pass the school where you go put your pikin. So he go say, no, you don't know, say they change the teacher. They change the principal. Now this school come good where pass that school where we said they. You go say, okay, my sister, if you say so. Better be here, say your pikin fight with somebody. Say even bring knife come out. How una can do the case in that case? At the end of the day, they pay us €200. They say na that boy na he wrong. You go say really? I been a me no year. Where deputy say na your pikin fair bring knife. No, my sister. I beg I they go where they go. Make my pikin not go late for school. We'll talk later. Bye bye. Now you don't go. You the yes so. Mothers will be like this. Then Osas can't go to school now. Other children come they say, Osas, we here say now manage that they take you for this our school. Say the school where you fed they go. They say you nearly use knife keep person. Osas go say no, me we get it. Nothing I get to. That school talk say I too no book. That's why me I come in a place. But we here say you nearly use knife take keep person and they drive. No, they not drive me. They even pay us €200 safe. If you say na lie, ask Mama Ifa and ask my mama. So
hurry up now. Not be you, Monica.
But you dey follow my story.
I dey follow your story, yes, sir.
Okay. So that was how Osas come dey the school. When they will come they play, Osas go start gra again. He mates go say, now this some people go say, now this gra. Now that they driving for school where you dey, you know the mates, the gang where they follow, they will say, no, it too no book. Now thing that they bring a come here. They even pay a money safe. He no book. He go say, tell them my story. Then those one go they tell them the bad story when you tell them will be like lie. You the yes so. At the end, we no more where Gary Osas teacher they teach for class. If they mark a book, he open leg. Osas carry mirror. He start to they look teacher pants. Now teacher can say, what you they do there? Then he say, teacher, you wear red pants. Yesterday you wear black pants. Day before yesterday, now white you wear. Today, oh, it took cover. Because yesterday, I be they see the hair with the today, oh, no hair. Now teacher say, hey, which kind of pikin be this one? I bet mo na go carry am comot for this school. Now they come write letter. Oh yeah, call him mama again. Go carry am comot for this school. This pikin wey don keke so. We fit tell you say na half leg we take am. Now him mama come o. Him mama carry a pikin. You no go help me. As I tell everybody say na 10 you take on here. Wetin you come say me I tell now say you take on. Hey mama, tell they say I don kukuma graduate. Tell they say I don't graduate. Say I too no book. I don't need to go another school again. Oh God. Now him mama carry sass that they go ask. Him mama say, "Wetin I wanted." They go say, "Mama, tell they say I don't graduate." Tell they say I too no book. I don't graduate. Now they reach out, so now they see Mama Ifa for road. Now Mama Ifa say, Mama Osas. Na Mama Ifa di otapia pia or Mama Ifa otapia pia.
Mama Ifa di otapia.
Now they connect see Mama Ifa for road though. Mama Ifa say, Mama Osas. He never reach me pikin close. What do they do? Now he say, oh, Mama Ifa, why be so all the time? Now you are they always see for road. Or tapia we not book betting. My pikin don't go. Now he say, my pikin don't graduate. No, this drama, ya mwegbe na ya do ate, ya wa mwegbe, ni do ate, mo pebe ine wa no. Me, oh Lala, I wish we live for the same place. The small drama where they produce, I'll call Tishaba, Pidgin English, na may they help me. Abba, come and listen to my drama so that you can be Mama Ifa while me I be Mama Osas.
It's not be English. I'm not here for you. Mama Ifa is the otaki.
Nah, Mama Ifa say, Mama Osas, una don dey come back from school. Wetin happen? Then he say, my sister, as you like to hear everything, my pikin don graduate. Then he say, how small pikin go? Then he say, now, if I carry 10, they say, may go to school where better pass your own. Now, the school where better pass your own, they say you don't graduate. Now, Mama Ifa open eye, they look the anyanya. Now, the boy tell Mama Ifa, now, Mama Ifa, I don't graduate. You know, say I no book. I don't graduate. Mama Ifa, they look Mama Osas and pikin. Anyanya. At the end, if I can't dey as last, if I can't stay as, you know, they go school because you don't graduate. Anybody will see Mama and Ifa no go school, go say, he don't graduate. Ifa go say, I don't graduate. Now so they continue and so say, the Ifa can't grow, Ifa no learn work, Ifa no go school, Ifa no do nothing. And Mama Ifa no let government help this pikin. Say the two they lie. Say this my pikin, he gets hunger management. Mama Ifa no gree o, Mama Osas, he no talk. Even government come ask and say, Madam, we drive your pikin, but everybody they tell us say you say your pikin don't graduate. He say, na drive. I think so now say. He don't graduate. Even government, now they can't rest because they not gonna wait till they talk again. Now they rest for your body. Now Osas can't grow. Osas can't grow now. If Osas go prison, if he come back, you ask and say, Osas, they say you dey prison, go say me, no, na Jamaica I go. I just newly come back from Jamaica. My people, what did this drama mean? Say, what you na teach you na pikin for small pikin? Now you go be. As small pikin go school, they expect you no go touch through. Make you take quarrel with that your pikin, but you go follow that your pikin, the planner. If they ask you, tell Mama Ifa say, na 10 you get. When they drive am for 10, he say, tell am say you don't graduate. Now so where it can't take grow. Una the yes, so my people. That's why una go see adults where they punish. Adult go, you don't go prison, come back, you go come and go say, oh, this she nothing happen, nothing did there. Life goes on. Tomorrow I do party. Oh, it's a shame because punishment for a child is not a bad thing. It's love. When you love your child, you will discipline them. They will correct themselves. They will not do it again. They will want to make you proud. Anybody who have a child, after you punish your child go get a go say, I beg cast a ban. Because when you grow up to be a sass, you are going to regret it. You are going to regret it.
If you tell your dish, make sure you command one way dish.
That do you? I hope you know what I mean by all this. Meaning when that pikin go do like say nothing happen.
Yes, now.
Nothing happen. Please, my people. This thing I just had said this small like this is a big spiritual problem for some adults. They can't accept their wrong. They can't accept their mistake. They cannot accept it that they were straffed. They were punished. No. They look at punishment like a defeat. But no man, punishment is not a defeat. Punishment is for you to get better. Even the Bible refer in. He said, the one I love, I chastise. Nobody that cannot be punished. Even David, King David in the Bible was chastised. David put what did they call him? Arches for head. He was mourning. Oh Lord, let my son not die. But yet that child died. Because God said, no, he will die. That's why I will give you another one and still love you. But this one, you must get the punishment of what you did for sleeping with another man's wife. What did David do when the pikin die? That is how you know a true child of God. They will be happy when you punish them. Okay? When David get up, when that child died, he said, Lord, I will dance for you. I am happy because you know the best. He was jumping like me like this, but you cannot see me because my breast is jumping. Punishment is love. Accept it. He corrects you. He strengthens you. He builds you. He gives you the best. Don't always deny it, because the moment you deny it like Mama Osas, your child will end up in your heart being a graduate at the age of 8 years. Osas was a graduate at the age of 8 years because he with his mama refused to accept the fault of the child and correct it. They never want people to know because they don't want nobody to laugh at them. Because of that, Osas was a graduate at the age of 8 years and he ended up in a prison. Anytime he go to prison, we tell them, I just rent one apartment like that for 2 weeks. If friend go say, where you for rent the apartment for 2 weeks? He go say, now one place like that. The place was very nice. They'll say, but why you can't lose am for? He go say, no, I never lose am. I fit go next week again. It was prison Osas was referring to. Train up your children properly, my people. Punishment is not a defeat. Punishment is not a downfall.
And not only that, if you notice your child is going through difficulty in this, seek for help. I think I did that video on YouTube. Go and watch it. Seek for help, my people. Seek for help.
Okay, my people. I don't want to spend 1 hour. I was just busy with my son and this drama. I read article and this drama just keep pumping in my head. I say, let me drop it by my Instagram lovers. Hope they get the story very straight. My people, now do it. Lolo, you get the drama, right?
Very, very well.
Do you? Oh yeah, now let me interview you a little bit. Lolo, how do you find punishment? How do punishment feel in your body? How do you say? Do you like punishment to be punished?
To me personally,
yes.
I don't like punishment.
Okay.
You know why?
No.
Because anything I'm taught, I like to do it according to.
So that you will not be punished.
Yes, so I don't get punishment.
Okay, on normal, on general ground, is punishment a bad thing? Is it a downfall? Is it something you should be ashamed of?
No. Okay, ask me to my children. Do I punish my children when they are wrong? Yes, I do. I punish my children so that they can understand that this thing they do is not right and they can learn better from it.
Okay, for adults also. Adults.
For my own self, that is what I say.
Is it something adults should be ashamed of when they are being punished because they did something wrong?
When you don't know and you did something wrong, if they punish you, you don't have to be ashamed of it.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, you can use it and even help another person.
Okay. Does it also affect negatively when you try to cover up your punishment? Like they punish you, you go to prison for 1 week, but you will come and you say, no, they don't arrest me. Oh no, I just travel.
No, it will affect you because you will keep on making mistakes again and again and again. You understand? You will keep on making the same mistake because you never get to accept that the punishment they give you is for correction. You understand?
Okay, can an adult learn how to accept punishment as a change, as a second chance?
If the adult wants to, yes.
Okay, so it's possible if they want to.
It is, yes, if they want to. Yes.
Can you refer it to? Can we connect it to like a spiritual problem when some people don't want to accept their mistake, to be punished? When they are punished for their mistake or they do something wrong, they don't want to accept it. Do you think we can connect it to, like, we are Africans, right? Can we connect it to spiritual whatever?
No, based on my own exposure right now, I will not. No.
Okay, what can we connect it with? Can we connect it to upbringing or self-discipline or a choice? Someone just say it's a choice.
Yes, the person lacks his or her own self-discipline. You understand? When you as a person lack self-discipline, you don't discipline yourself for some bad behavior that you have, it leads to this bad choice that they make. Do you understand?
So the moral lesson of this story tonight is what?
Is self-discipline, so you can avoid wrong choices.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. Someone said there is nothing like spiritual, it is upbringing. No. You know, we black, we can connect it to any kind of thing. Upbringing.
It is absolutely not spiritual.
Upbringing play a big vital role in your life, my people. Please be involved in the upbringing of your children today.
Upbringing matters, but sometimes you know that some children, when they go to a certain stage, it becomes self-discipline and choice.
But it still bangs back to upbringing. Upbringing will always remind you of where you are coming from. But if you don't have the basic one, you can't be adult and remember them. Then
I bet continue to find the video. The video they call the number of that shit. Continue to find now.
Which video they find?
Somebody they find video. Say no video. I'm confused. No proof. No video. Continue to find the video.
Okay.
The reason
upbringing matters a lot. Upbringing matters a lot.
Some parents don't have time for their children.
Yeah. Now I'm talking just now.
Good evening. Only the truth
will set you free.
Definitely, my daddy. Yes, that's the word. Only the truth will set you free. Parents, create time for your children. Get to know your children. get to know their character, their attitude, get to know what irritates them, get to know how to put them together, coordinate them, teach them what is allowed and what is not allowed. You know, so they will know lying, manipulating, and all of those things is not allowed. It's not a thing you want to teach children at all. No matter how smart your child is, manipulating others is a sign of witchcraft. It's not nice. It's not
Thank
nice.
you,
Never allow
Team
our
Debbie.
children,
Yes,
you know?
giving such a smart contribution. Not just only punishing children, but letting them know what you are punishing them for. Yes, my lady, of course. We are just talking about the punishment alone. Even if some people know what you are punishing them for, they still do like, they receive the punishment or they serve it, but they will tell you, and it not happen, and nothing. If you don't accept it, you cannot change that thing that you are being punished for. You understand?
That's why me, I don't like parents beating small children. But if you know as a parent,
Amber, go and check what you are cooking.
to that little child,
In short, I think you need more water. Just but come and sit down.
don't spank that child. Just tell the child to live there. You know, just tell the child you can live here now. Go sit down there. Just try explain everything you do. You know, African people, Monica.
Rest.
African people have this part they miss in the part of their upbringing, especially this part of the world. That moment when children ask you, but why? African people, that's where we miss it the most. But why? Mommy, but why?
Because those mommies, they are in stress. They are not relaxed. When mommy is not relaxed, mommy will be doing bang, gang, 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 gang.
Mommy, but why? Daddy, but why? There comes a time in your children's life when they keep asking you that question. Please, my people, while we give our opinion, we should remember, for those of you with little children, please explain that why for them. Explain it. They need to know why.
Mama, my vein for
In a hurry to
Mama, you got a ring for
I didn't cut it.
why.
I didn't cut it. Shut up. I didn't cut it.
Away from there and do that. They say, but mommy, why? Make sure you explain that why to that child. If not, you will bring up a confused child who will feel like it's only when mommy needs me she got time. But when I need her to explain things, it's never there. When children are brought up that confused, it's also not nice. You know, it's not
Yes, Team Debbie, I really love that. A child that is well brought up, don't move with wrong one. That one, me, 100%. I know that. They can't cope. They can't cope. The thing will just be doing them like, oh my God, when I want to faint, like they can't cope. Sometimes that's why it's
peer pressure. Yeah, peer pressure is there, but you always have to connect to that child when that
upbringing
child
matters
is
and
there.
when
You know?
to be another self-discipline matters a lot. Yes, have the fear of God, the conquer wrongdoing. Yes, my lady, something is peer pressure the children. Yes, sometimes yes, want to belong that forget the own training. My lady, if maybe they are not 18 yet, they are still with you at home, please try to notice those type of children that pressure your children also. You understand? Those type of friends that pressure your children. You will know, because when your child return, he start demanding or he start doing like somebody else, you will know. Then try to listen try to disconnect that connection that he has with that person. Either you, instead of your daughter to tell you or your child to tell you, Mom, I want to go to so person, and you know that person is corrupt, please, you yourself tell your daughter or your child, my dear, on so day we are going out. You could say like, where are we going? Yeah, we are having family out. Make sure you go give that child something that is exciting, so that we break the appointment of that friend. It worked for me a lot. I don't have to use man, because if you use man always, they will feel like my mother is always disconnecting me from friend. Sometimes they even go tell her, say my mother don't want.
Like me.
Before you know,
Like
the person will say
me,
that your mother.
My son was like, well, why is it you don't like my friend? Make sure you know. The reason is that normally I don't allow them to my house, you know. So one day my son was like, Mom, but they are outside my door. Can they come inside? I said, sure, they can come inside. They came in and they sat down. So I now asked him, I said, okay, this one, later when they left, I now asked him, I said, but what's your connection to these children? Are you guys in the same school? Do you guys play football together? He was like, no, these ones are not in my school. So they are just saying, I said, listen, the one that is not in your school, the one that is not in your football club, I don't want you to play with them. I don't want you to be with them. I could find the common ground with the ones that are in your school and the one that you play ball together with.
Especially the one that is older than them. Run for your life.
Yes, you understand.
Run.
Just disconnect them from that one. At the moment, they might not like it the time you did it, but later when you see that you are saying it with good intention for him.
And also, when you cut them off from that person, don't make them idle. You too create something exciting at that moment that will make them forget. Trust me, that's children for you. Children forget easily, quickly. Sit down.
Give them this, let them understand this is why. It helps a lot. It's not an easy job. It's a very difficult job.
And that's what our mothers do.
They are different, so
That's what many mothers don't have.
and there is one connection there. There is one attitude that is the same. You understand? So, but the
If
red
I
eye,
don't
it'll
trust
be
the
higher,
friend,
lower,
I make
higher,
them
lower.
come to my
So
house
there is
where
one
I can keep
that
eyes
is
on
the
them.
same.
Yes.
That word image is the same by all of them, you know. But some of their characters, some are high, some are low, some are quiet, some are loud, you know. So it's just for you to know when your child is loud, to tune it down. When your child is low, you know, well, okay, is he okay? That's just the thing. You know?
Tafia go kill me today.
Fine.
Tafia mama. Tafia mama.
That
Oh.
you need to be there. There's a time you need to be there for your children, no? So you don't miss it. There's a time between that 15 to between 13 to 16. You need to be there. No matter what you are doing, create time. Be there.
No, Lolo, I 15 what?
13 to 16.
You need to be there. Yeah, that is true. Also, people.
Being there, what I mean by being there, not like sitting at home and waiting to come.
I know.
Okay.
But I've seen a lot of mothers who always say, when they take care of small children, you work not there this one now. Wait until they become 13. But me, I believe, if you don't water them well from small pikin, 13 no go let you break like that. Because if you like sit down for her 24 hours, you and your 13, they go carry on and go prison. You understand? Many mothers believe when it's 13, that is when you rook more upper. No, if you rook more upper on time, trust me, your 13, people go, they say 13, they give verdict. You go, they wonder, oh God, thank you. Say my own never start. You go, wait until your pikin will go come on for your eye. You no go start. Why? Because you started on time. You understand, Lolo? For me, I will always advise people start on time because I'm a living witness of it. I remember when I started on time, many women, mothers like me, that were telling me, oh, what work be when mudia made the fair reach 13 years. They are 13 years now. Every day they come knock for my door. I bet my pikin there, you say no. My pikin call you, no. I bet you see where my pikin go. You dey hear me so?
Monica.
Come sit down.
Monica, your own, You know, say they say everybody own different. No talk your own,
Mama, kom op, kijk, ik wil wel echt de contour niet in één keer dat het zo recht is.
Yeah. What now? Not be all mothers there here that they talk their own. Why you can't say they did not talk my own?
Rest, na lie.
Good evening, Greta. Hey, Greta Elizabeth. How are you? Longest time, my lady. Greetings to your friend Felicia. Okay, I dey hear you.
Mama, je wil echt niet hier, hè? Niet denken dat het zo zijn is, hè?
Leave it. Tomorrow you go do
Nee,
it.
mama, nee.
I cannot do it too because you already spoil it. This is not how I normally do. You just confuse my head. I used to be better than this. Oh, sorry, Lolo. We are hearing you go. Tomorrow you go do it. They will repay it.
Nee, mama, ik ga niet doen.
Okay, I do it. I do it.
Dat bedoel ik, mama. Kijk, nee, ik ben niet boos. Ik ga mijn wenkbrauw niet wegknippen.
They are not like that. So for you, it was quite different. It was quite different. Even when I went there and came back for the first time, that's why I was just telling everybody, wow, you see those children, they are quite different. They sit down, when they tell them to sit down. They don't speak. They don't nothing. So, yeah.
But the truth of the matter, not be say right from small pikin they were quiet, but na me.
They were quiet.
But because I make it so, I'm telling you, Anna.
Monica, small. Monica, now small you do, you don't do.
You see, it's a lie, oh, it's a lie. Hey.
Listen, my son.
Mama, ik ga op Mama, kijk, mama, je wordt afgeleid. Nee, mama, ik ga zelf doen.
Nee.
Mama, je wordt
Okay, if I
afgeleid.
finish. Okay, if I
Nee, je
finish.
wordt afgeleid.
Okay, if I finish, go. Oh, yeah, talk.
When I born my son, somebody will come out, he go say, I never born. Ah, you never born. I said, but I don't born, see my baby for you. He was naturally quiet, like quiet for years, like up to even 4 years. He was quiet. But the other one that even now makes people to know that when I get back to another one, that one now started talking. Before people now know that, oh, you do have one before. So that kind of a child was almost what all your 3 children
Okay, me too, I was like that, but you guys won't believe it, except people that were really with me.
No, you were like that. Don't be like.
Okay, listen. Okay.
Monica never talk. Now social media. That make Monica come they talk. Monica no they talk. Anyway, Monica, she say go to that.
Okay, no, not be me particularly, me they talk. I mean, for my children, like, also I was like that. My first one, Ambrosia, was very quiet, okay?
They don't make noise.
Okay, but when J-Boy came, who tell you say J-Boy not make noise? I pray, but I did not see, Okay, Unao, your first one was quiet. The second one came, then it was not quiet. That was when you miss it. Me, you know what I did? Me, my first one came, she was quiet. The second one came, he say, me? You will say, me shut up, me go shut up. Who you be? And me too. I say, me, my dear, I went to University of Children, babies. How I want my children before I born you. And I don't hear this story of say one go quiet, one go come scatter wetin you don't build. I say they not born you. Me, I carry J-Boy. I pull him hand, pull his leg, pull his head. I start to put him back again by myself. I put him. J-Boy turn to quiet boy, I'm telling you. I did not say because second one don't come. Everybody, when J-Boy go cry for night, neighbor go call police now. Say this one not be ordinary cry. Because you know why? He want make sure say he own rich. So he go cry the kind cry where you go fear to do what he wants. If I see say
he really strong man, no be like that.
wow, my own strong go, my own where they small pikin go no say they outside, he go use you. If he see so now don't carry car enter on a compound, he go quiet and he go start to the smile. Everyone give you what you say. If you not do that one, he go start to the sleep. You will see say your pikin it dey blink eye, but you no open that eye, lie again. I go do one like this, Jepo, you are not sleeping. Wake up, Jepo go cover eye like say I don't sleep because you know say we don't enter house. You see, huh? No, so like that when me can still notice say in the know, me too I can start. If he dey cry for outside, me will tell and say, if we reach out today, if you like, you cover eye. I don't mind though. For you to know, say this type of trick day, me I will tell you, say you don't reach to receive my punishment. You will see. If we reach out, I go really quiet. Sometimes when he done the talk, I go say, Mama, I'm no longer crying. Can I kiss you? I'll say, you can kiss me, but when we reach out, you are going to kneel down and stop and close your eye. Because I said, don't do that thing you did today. But now you are quiet. You want to be a nice boy. I want you to be nice boy. 100%, not halfway of the road. Really, if I reach us, I'll just carry on. I'll just go put on for back of door. Not be saying a better punishment, but for children, a better punishment. I'll just carry small joko. I'll carry and sit down for that. I'll face his face to the wall. We go to look television, a cartoon way like. If he turn back, I'll say, don't turn back. Oh, there. Because when you were chatting today, misbehaving outside, you don't know that I'm the boss inside house. I will tell you. It will be there. Like that, I continue. And before you know, I can't lie, the table turned around for me, and he was such a nice boy that if Amber even the misbehave, now he go come tell Amber, Mama, Amber is crying. Amber, when we get home, you're going to face the wall. You understand? So that they can't know. He helped me a lot. I was really strong mother when my children was small. I can't lie. Many mothers dislike me. And Lolo, why? Since now you be the only voice where they hear, why other mothers they dislike a disciplined mothers? Because then I really passed through a lot of monkey. I will be looking at myself, just that me, if I believe I'm doing the right thing, I don't care if everybody around me don't like me for it. I don't care. So far I don't want to nana my picking. You understand? Everybody was a kind of, they gossip me a lot for that. Some of them will just be like, oh, Mama, but you too, they do like, say, I bet leave these children, I bet them. But to me, they are children, but they listen if you tell them. So why leaving them like nyama nyama? I don't want nyama nyama, beg. You know? So why did they really do like that? I bet, tell me.
Let me tell you why. Like, before I'll tell you guys why, let me tell you my baby, the second one, the minute I gave birth to him,
J-boy the bandit, yes, so. J-boy use me, I use him too. Taking we suck for 2 years long.
And crying from the hospital. And I was like, no, what is this? No, so your baby is very, very healthy and we'll take him home. I said, whoa. When I gave birth to the first one, everybody was like, they cry. How can I take a crying baby? He said, carry go. He's very strong and healthy. Go home. So I brought him home. You know, he didn't creep. You know, when children creep on the ground. My second son did not creep because he don't like to sit on the ground. Don't put me on the ground. He was just baby walker, and then he started walking at the age of 9 months. 8 months plus, he started walking. So before then, he was few months. He would say, don't put me on the ground. Just hold me in your hand. Give me bread. I will stay there. I'm like, this can't be this one. I know the bath. I know the toilet. I know the eat. The other one is there suffering. Which kind of child is this? One day I just carry him like this there. Put him inside the babysitter, just tie him up there, just leave him there. This picky crack. I was not moved with the cry. I said, cry, no, they keep picky for where I for come. So now your cup of Gary be that. Even somebody come in the process, I was begging, carry the child. I said, no, I won't carry the child. You need to know what the child is doing. And he knows what he's doing. The time I finally carried him, he fell asleep. Trust me, that was the first and the last command that child gave to me. This was just barely 4 months old child. That was the first and last command. That was how I break that one. Second command was, I will not creep when it was time to sit on the ground. Someone has seen me small picking. You can't sit on the ground. It's time for you to sit there. He said, like, don't put me on the ground. No matter how clean that ground is, this boy will not sit down. So I always put him on top of something. And he end up walking like that, you know. And the reason why, that was how I break that one. We now get to the process. It's so step by step. We now get to the process whereby he now grow, because he walked faster, very small, and he was sharper. He normally takes things from the older one. Many mothers with young kids take this one and walk with it. He will take away the other one from the senior brother. That one will cry. But because I didn't know that much, I will always set the senior one like, oh, story. Give him to play because he's small. Not knowing that this small one knows exactly what he's doing.
Are you sure?
You know, at the time I started, I don't know if that one said to me, how come every time I have something, you want it and you take it from me? The thing touched my heart. So I now call someone who has children who are older. And I say, look at the situation. The person now advised me that never you do that. You ask them who take it first. Whoever take it first, stay with the thing. Because you can never say, let me avoid trouble and buy two the same. You have to be flogged with toys. And not only that, they will not know how to play with things together. They will just from small begin to do my thing, your thing, which is very bad when they start daycare. Because in daycare, they expect your child to know how to do playing together and sharing together. So that sharing and playing together starts from your home, you know. So when she now told me...
But now when they become big boys, so, and only black men, they see that one.
No.
When they are children, you can teach them how to share. But when they are teenagers, please don't sharing. Everybody have your
that
thing.
one finished now. No, when they are small, this is small children's thing because they need to go to daycare. You understand? And that daycare.
Good evening, my lady.
That your child can share and can play together. You know.
Yeah.
So that is why I now use that one in our work. So if you have small children, you are facing that difficulty, please use it to work for you. Back to your question, when you say, why is it that people dislike you when you discipline your children? You see, those people, most of the time, if you remember, they either have one child that they suffer before they have, or they have that one girl children they thought they will never have, or they have that one boy child they never dreamed it is possible for them to have.
No, some of them wasn't true. Some of them, they have loose children. So they are... Now. Okay, continue, okay.
Some of them, they could not put their own together. Maybe their children have already grown. When their children grow, they didn't know that it is possible.
No, their children never even grow. All of them was just 1 year. This one use 1 year, pass my old me, use 6 months, pass this one use 4 months, pass this one.
They never understand that speaking to a baby like that has effect. You understand? Many Africans.
Then why they don't believe me when me was saying it that if you tell like they hear.
Because you are the only one who seems to understand that language and do it.
Okay, then why do people kind of make you feel stand out? I don't know.
In between, listen, inside 20 people, only you is doing one thing. Everybody will notice now. They will notice.
Like okay, why they know they copy? Why like they go make you they feel like your own too
like
much?
The position that we are
Sabi mama.
Right
Not be say you sabi for them. Say, don't stick on with your children. Hey, Jimmy, you know if you change pikin for year, why you carry and go there? Change them for year nah. Not be small pikin shit. For me, I find it like, like 2 friends they talk. Your pikin and small pikin, you can't shit. You can't just put on for table where me and you they talk. Lolo, how that can see me and say as could have been more over maybe to agbe. So my sister, if you can't take excuse from that web our journey, una ya change over where we corner. It bad.
You know bad. If depends on the kind of people that they are.
Okay, let's say you as you come visit me that day. Then we all, both the children, me and you, no other person, me and you, then the children. Then, baby, let's say we go chuku. Then we go. Okay, no, I'm not talking about the first time. I mean this time that is still fresh. You understand? Then we all, okay, let's say Ugochukwu is still much younger, where they poo for Pampers. You understand? As we all are just sitting in the sitting room watching television, then you will say, bring Pampers for me. You just carry Chukwu in your lap in presence of the children and all of us. Then even when the other children are doing, you say, Dega, is it not poo? Everybody poo now. It's poo now. Everybody poo now. Is that right? I'm asking, maybe because for me, if they irritate me, everybody poo doesn't mean that you should teach your child not to change in a room. It's not normal.
Listen. That is why. That is why you see this kind of communication. When people want to make friends, they miss it. You understand? They miss it. Because you see how you have already said what you like and what you don't like now. Definitely, if I happen to have a baby tomorrow now, I will never do it.
Somebody said that one is right. He said it can change for Palo. No, but Lola, wait go make person change shit for Palo. Why? The person he tire, the mother tire.
Monica, listen.
Hey!
To you, listen now. To you, Africa, it is strange. But to the African setting, some of them, not all, it's a normal thing.
Hey, somebody say, I see nothing wrong with it. It's in the, if it's in the, it's my house. Hey, my lady, everything is wrong with it. It starts from that. We want our children to be responsible. We want them to know how to do everything, but we will never invest on it. You see?
Okay.
Forget it now. They have a time, mommy.
Wait, listen, Monica. And you see some of this.
He said, "Na baby, you know me."
Monica, listen now. Monica, listen. Who is that?
He said, "Na baby, Lola, you know me where you from, Kenya." My lady, me no, na even baby, you supposed to carry on. Gently go lay back for ground. No carry on for lap when they raise in your shop. Yes.
Listen. You see some people, this whole thing we used to talk about, though, it started from when the baby is born. Did you make a room for that baby? Did you buy all
some people have room.
Things?
They have
you
room.
Have all the necessary things to do it.
Some people have room, but they still don't know that they have to get up. They cannot get up. They will do it there.
Amber, give me pampers there and wipe. Monica, after all, that's what they go show you in Kokoro, they go show you in Pipi, they go show you everything.
Not even about Kokoro, but Kokoro join. But at the same time, no poo for no poo. You see,
even Pipi, my children. Me, I not the drum. Don't get me wrong. Me, even till tomorrow, I took small risk.
See, Anna, Lala, somebody disagree with me and agree with you. Okay, let me talk another thing. Maybe now we will know the reason why Monica was so awkward in the midst of others. Because for me, I don't find it funny at all. Even if I come to visit you and your baby poo-poo, what kind of baby are we talking about? Even if, for me, baby, it no matter. And if you don't even become like 3 years where they work out about, you have to carry that baby to toilet. No change them for my parlor or your parlor if I come visit you. I know come again next time. I'll go because you have to respect yourself, your baby, and everybody. You don't change poo-poo in the sitting room where people are there. For what? What did they make toilet for? You have to take your baby to the toilet and change. Okay. That is number one. Everybody disagree with me. Good, no problem. Because I just want to ask and I want to know why people were like, you know, because I don't like it. I didn't do it. If I'm with friends, my baby poo-poo, I notice, I will say, where is your toilet? I'll take my baby there. I will change my baby and I will bring my baby out fresh. I won't do it in your presence. It's not nice. But if you now follow me to my room, to this baby's room, to go and change, it's okay. Where you they go, if they need change, let me change my baby and you not follow me, good and fine. But say we are just gisting, I will just forget myself. I start raising leg, start cleaning it. I don't do it in your presence, you don't do it in my presence. Okay, that one was good. Then another one again, taking children food along to wherever I'm going. Many people find it awkward, like, okay, you are coming to me. I have your baby yogurt. Why did you still take the place you are going to? They have yogurt they will give to you. Why did you take yogurt? Why did you warm water along with you? Why did you take this flesh? Why did you take this one? Why did you take everything complete? This one is stress. Just go there, ask. I get pampers, I will give you. It wasn't my thing. I was so, this video want to finish. I will be back, guys. I did not disagree with you, my lady. Okay, my younger sister, 3 years old, the poop bomb was the whole house. I will be back. Monique.